Okay, in this presentation, what I'm hoping to demonstrate is the copy and paste feature. Now, this feature was added into the software later on in the software. So, if you have watched any of my other videos on my training of various aspects of the software, you would know that this particular function was not visible. That's because it did not exist at that time. So this is a new function, and that's why I'm doing a presentation on how to copy and paste in EasyFs financials. Now, this copy and paste is not a straightforward copy and paste in all situations, and that's why it was needed or required to prepare this presentation so that I can explain the functionality behind that particular copy and paste function. Now, so if suppose I want to copy a word field, now these are word fields, so these three are word fields. Now that is you can see that as a straightforward copy and paste. So if I say copy and paste, now it has selected the cell, which it always does. It'll select the cell you're on. Now if I wanted to say copy this cell and I hit copy, you can see the data here that is copying. And if I move to the cell I want to paste it and click on paste, it'll paste it over there. Now what it pastes is not just the data which is on the cell, it pastes the entire link so that it can be updated. Now I'll look at a little bit more of a complex cell to copy. Now this is a total cell. Now if you can see, this cell actually totals these three items. Now when it comes to these totals, so if I hit copy, it gives you the ability to lock the row or the column. Now suppose I want to copy it over here, I can lock both the row and the column, and I'll come over here and hit paste. Now it shows it as total, which means that that's a total which it has created. It does not show you the value until you close out. So if I close out of copy and paste, it establishes that. So now I'm going to just delete both of that. The next copy paste function that I wanted to show you was a percentage. So now if I'll select maybe before I do that, I'll just close out and I'll just delete a couple here. So delete that. So I've deleted two. So now if I say copy, say that cell, now what it allows you to do is it allows you to lock the denominator. So in this case, what I wanted to do is I need to lock the denominator. I need to lock only the row because I needed to move to the next item and pick the next item. So now I come over here and hit paste and paste here. As you can see, it enables you to quickly paste it, and it has pasted the entire formula here. So if I were to click on it, you can see it has pasted the entire formula. You don't need to recreate that formula. So when it comes to, for example, just an input field, it's straightforward copy paste. Same with the dynamic fields, same with the number field. So it just copies and pastes it. There is no other selections that are required. So that's it when it comes to copying and pasting data. This helps you to prepare a particular set of a particular statement more quickly, as you can just copy information, especially when it comes to totals, and even in the case of percentages it can be quite useful. When it comes to adding the data itself to the sheet, it's straightforward with the trial balance. You don't need to use a copy paste function. It's just one click and you get the data onto the sheet which you're working on. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you find this function useful as much as I have.